Hello, kids. Welcome to the virtual learning class of English. Today, we are going to start with Unit 3 poem Little by Little. So, children, let's first read aloud. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. So, children, this poem is about a little acorn and how it grew into a big oak tree. It talks about how slowly and steadily, little by little, the acorn fruit became a big tree. So, let us start with the explanation of the lines. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. So, children, a corn is a fruit which is there in the oak tree, right? So, the fruit of the oak tree said little by little as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Sank means to go under some surface, below the surface of something, especially if we talk about liquid or water. And mossy refers to something which is covered with moss, and moss is the green colored plants you all must have seen around the rivers or the oceans or on the stones or near the trees. We can see very small green grass. It is known as moss. So the corn plant, the corn fruit, sank in the mossy bed, and then the corn fruit said that I am improving every day. It is getting better every day. Now, the corn fruit is hidden deep in the earth away. It is now buried in the ground. And little by little, each day it grew. So now the corn fruit is growing little by little, very slowly. It is growing each day. And little by little, it sipped the dew. And the corn fruit sipped the dew little by little, very slowly. Sip means to drink something very slowly, and dew refers to the tiny water droplets which is formed on some surfaces, right? So the corn fruit sipped the dew very slowly. Then downward it sent out a thread like root. When the corn fruit got buried in the ground, it has now sent thread like roots towards the downward direction. In the downward direction, it has sent the thread like roots, and in the upward direction, there we can see a tiny shoot. Shoot refers to the very young branches of a tree or a plant, you can say, children. So, in the downward direction, there were roots, and in the upward direction of the corn fruit, there were very tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear. So it takes days and years for a plant to grow. As you all know, children, it takes a lot of years for a very small plant to grow into a very big tree. So days passed on, years passed on, and then little by little, the leaves started appearing on the acorn plant, and the slender branches spread far and wide. Slender branches means very thin, very slim branches of the tree have now spread far and wide. They have now spread themselves in different directions at very far places, and till the mighty oak is the forest pride. And now the oak tree has grown up and it has become powerful. Mighty means powerful, children. So now the oak tree has fully grown up and it has now become the pride of the forest. So, children, in this poem, we basically learned how, with time and years, the small acorn fruit became a very big tree, right? As the small children also, with years, grow up into big individuals. Similarly, is the story of a small fruit, how it grew little by little each day, right? So, children, in this poem, we learned a few new words like hidden, slowly, downward, slender, mighty, branches, pride, improving, sipped, and shoot. So that's all for this video, children. I hope you liked it. Thank you.